Hey, how you guys doing? My name is John Manning, your favorite credit expert, and this is my YouTube channel. And before, guys, if you haven't been here before, I'm glad to have you guys. Here we talk about strategies that allow us to take power away from financial institutions and banks and use them for our own financial personal gains. Okay, guys, not only that, guys, we talk about real estate credit and business foremost, guys. Today we're going to be talking about a couple of ninja strategies that allow us to pull cash off of our cards with zero interest or very little interest. Okay, guys, and very little fees. And I'm going to be talking about those 5 strategies or 4 strategies with you today, guys. Strategy number 1. The first technique or strategy that you can use to kind of liquidate your cards, and is a ninja technique, guys, that will allow you to pull cash off your card, is actually open up a bank account. A lot of people don't understand this or don't even know, but there are financial institutions that allow you to open accounts online, if not online, but in person, that will allow you to do your first deposit with a credit card. Yes, you heard me right, with a credit card. And this can be a ninja technique or crazy method that will allow you to basically liquidate that card, guys. Only a certain amount, of course, because each financial institution has their limit on how much they will allow you to fund in one day, okay, or per transaction when you open up your account. Also, we're going to be talking about the second strategy, guys. The second strategy is a little bit more it is a strategy that's a little bit more thought out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to break this down and explain to you on how this strategy works. So this strategy allows for you to basically take a cash advance on one card and then transfer your balance to a balance transfer card that has 0% interest. And this is a way that you can basically skip out on a lot of fees and liquidate your card, but transfer the balance over to a 0% interest credit card with lower fees. Okay, so you're not paying cash advance fees or the higher interest rate per month on your balance that you took off the card, or your cash advance you took off your card. How that would look is, once again, let me show you again. You will have a card. You would take out a cash advance on the card. You will also make sure you have another credit card. Now, this credit card you may have just got and it has promotion. It may say 0% interest for 12 months. It may say 0% interest for 24 months. Whatever the case may be, it has a promo on this card that allows you to transfer a balance on it, guys. So you would transfer this balance of whatever the cash advance is, or the whole entire balance, to this card where you are paying 0% interest for the promotion, guys. That is a second ninja strategy on how you can basically liquidate your car, guys, and get cash off your car and pay little to no interest. Third technique, guys, we're going to be talking about. Now, this one is a little bit touchy. It uses your standard PayPal, Cash App, and Cash App method, guys, if you would say. The way you do this is basically you have a credit card attached to these accounts, and you can either fund the account using the credit card and then basically transfer it to a friend, and the friend transfer it back, and basically you have liquidated the card in some shape, way, or form. The only reason that I don't really prefer this method is because if PayPal see these transactions frequently, then they may likely shut you down. Also, the fees associated with the PayPal method, guys, is, it's going to cost you a little bit of money, as well as even if you do it with Cash App, it's going to cost you a little something. The next strategy that I'm going to be talking to you about is another ninja technique, guys, and it is what I call the overpay method. And the way you use the overpay method to liquidate or take cash off from your credit card, guys, is going to be basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a card and you're gonna do a balance transfer. However, when you do the balance transfer for this card, you're gonna overdo it. You may want the balance transfer only probably needs to be for $2,000, but instead you might send over $2,500 to the new card, guys. And what will happen is they or the bank is more than likely gonna do one thing, and that is, if you have a balance transfer like that, they're more than likely gonna issue you a check for the overpayment of that balance transfer. It's not guaranteed, but more than likely this will happen, guys. And these strategies, guys, that I'm talking to you about today, these are strategies that I have used personally, and these are strategies that my clients have used personally, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, guys, feel free to book a consulting session with me, guys. You can find a link that you could book a session right below this video, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, or maybe you need a consulting session, but my hours are not convenient for you guys, then what I want you to do is use the information below, and I want you to contact me via email address, guys, so that I can make a consulting or be able to set something up with you personally. Everybody has a different goal. Not everybody have the same goal. So my job on this video is to deliver you content. But when you come and I do a consulting session with you, my job is to help you put a plan together so that you can execute what I'm talking about on my YouTube channel, guys. And until next time, guys, like I said before, if you have any questions or concern, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, guys, peace out.